How to fix pin chat not showing on Instagram. Now this is one of the newest feature on Instagram, so first things first, we want to head over to our App Store or Google Play Store, and inside we want to make sure that our Instagram is up to date. Since this is one of the newest feature on the application, we want to make sure that we are on the newest version of Instagram. After updating Instagram right here and still the problem is not fixed, we then want to navigate through our system settings. Once inside our system settings, we can just go ahead and click on General right here. Proceed by clicking on the iPhone storage, and once inside, you want to look for Instagram. Once inside Instagram, you simply want to click on Offload App, and this will basically remove the application on our device. Right after clicking on the button, a new button will appear called Reinstall App. After clicking on Reinstall, it will then force the application to update itself from the App Store. And in that way, you will be able to fix the pin chat not showing on Instagram. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.